Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a flickering effect for your text in a video on CapCut. So first, you just need to write your text. I'm going to write in here. Then change the font into the one you want. So I personally will use this Rubik font. Then go to styles and change the color into your liking. So I'm going to use yellow, and after that go to stroke and choose black color. Now set the width into 50 like this. Okay, click on the check icon. I'm going to put it at the bottom. Then I'm going to set the duration to 7 seconds, the same with the video. Now just copy the text, duplicate it like this, and on the second text go to style, change the color into white. Okay, now minimize the duration like this and put it like this. So you need to put, okay, copy the second tag and place it every 2 frames to make the flickering effect. So duplicate it again. Now place it in here. I'm going to duplicate it again. So you can just adjust the how long you want the flickering effect to last. You can just copy that or copy the tag based on that. Okay, let's see the result first. So I'm gonna play the video. Okay, you can see now it has flickering, but if you want the flickering effect to last more, you can just duplicate the text as many as you want the flickering to last. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.